Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here at Rome Tech, we're taking a closer look at Lemonaid Health, a telehealth platform designed to simplify and streamline your healthcare experience. Links to the service are available in the description below. Lemonaid Health prioritizes accessibility, affordability, and convenience, offering straightforward medical consultations for a variety of common health concerns. It's a particularly appealing choice for those seeking swift solutions without the inconvenience of traditional doctor's appointments. A key strength of Lemonaid Health lies in its user-friendly design. Whether through their website or dedicated app, scheduling a consultation with a licensed healthcare professional is a breeze, all for a transparent, upfront fee. The process is efficient and straightforward. You complete a comprehensive online health assessment, and then a suitable provider reviews your information. In many cases, they can prescribe necessary treatment or medication without requiring an in-person visit. This streamlined approach makes Lemonaid Health ideal for managing minor ailments like colds, skin issues, or obtaining birth control prescriptions, situations where a physical examination isn't always essential. Lemonaid Health also stands out for its cost-effectiveness. Consultations typically range from $25 to $75, depending on the specific service required. This represents a significant savings compared to the expense of traditional doctor visits, making it an attractive option for individuals without insurance or those looking to minimize co-pays. Furthermore, the platform provides prescriptions and at-home testing kits for specific conditions, such as STDs or erectile dysfunction, adding another layer of convenience to their services. Lemonaid Health caters perfectly to individuals seeking fast and affordable medical guidance. It's especially beneficial for those with limited access to in-person healthcare or who simply prefer the discretion and ease of virtual consultations. The platform is a great choice for people with demanding schedules or those needing attention for non-emergency health concerns. In summary, Lemonaid Health delivers a dependable and budget-friendly method for accessing healthcare from the comfort of your own home. If you're in the market for a telehealth service that's efficient, user-friendly, and doesn't break the bank, be sure to explore the links in the description to begin your Lemonaid Health journey.